It's always fun to decorate during the holidays, and there's something special about having some homemade decor to add to your space. Here to fill us in on where you can go to make some of your own DIY decor is Sacramento AR Workshop owner Noreen. Welcome to the show, Noreen. Oh my goodness, look at your gorgeous display of all these goodies you brought in.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
And it's all about DIY.
Yes.
And right now we're talking about decorating for the holidays because they're right around the corner. What are the trendy items? What are the things that people really want this holiday?
Gosh, well, buffalo check has been really popular now. So you see some trays, this cute
This
little
is the
pumpkin
buffalo
here.
check?
Yeah,
Okay.
and then the doormat down there that we're doing stenciling on doormats and layering it with a buffalo check rug. Basically anything modern farmhouse.
That's still a big one.
Yes, huge. And then the chunky knit blankets, and then we also are doing the chunky knit pumpkins right now. And we have another really fun, exciting chunky project.
Yeah, you brought so many great examples, and can you want to just go through? So you talked about the chunky knit blanket, the pumpkin.
Yeah.
What are some of the other items you brought in? I see some signage.
Yeah, so you can work on plank signs, frame signs. We do little ornaments for the holidays. Those can be purchased in a set, which is fun to do with the family. We have also a porch makeover series, which we're doing. So we have several to choose from. You do the welcome sign, and then you'll do a rug and a door hanger for your front door.
Well, you know, you talk about the porch makeover, and I am seeing a lot of like the porch signs, like when you go to the store now, they're like everywhere.
Yeah.
People are into sprucing up the front of their home.
Absolutely.
And I guess DIY is nice because you can give it your own little touch, and a lot of people come to AR Workshop just for that.
Exactly, exactly. And you can do many things for your porch, so it's not just one, just the sign.
It's not just the one sign. Yeah. Okay, so you brought some fun stuff here, and you can find all of this at your workshop. But today we're going to demo a popular item. What is that? What you tell me?
So this is our new mini serving trays that we're doing. These make great holiday gifts. You can do them in a set of 2 or 3, and keep one for yourself. Give one as a gift. So these are
both
fun.
trays right here. Okay.
Yeah, and there's a variety of different designs. So we have over 35 different project types, and with each project type, we have hundreds of designs that can be chosen to go on there, and then you customize it with any one of these techniques that we can teach you how to do, the stains, and so you'll start out with the stencil at your workstation. You'll weed the stencil.
And you can just, I guess you have different designs you can pick from.
And
so
most
here
of
we're
them are
going with antlers.
Yeah. So you'll start out with raw wood at your workstation. You'll weed the stencil. First, you will paint or stain or do a technique. Here we did the dry brush technique on the back of this board. And then we apply that stencil. You'll dab the paint over the stencil.
Look like this. You're making me look like a pro if I can make it look like this.
You absolutely can. You do not have to be crafty.
You don't have to be crafty.
No.
Were you crafty? Are you a crafty
I
person
was,
naturally?
yeah,
Okay.
yes.
So this business fits you.
Yes, yes.
But you can make us all have like these professional looking signs.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So then you'll dab the paint over here.
Okay.
Peel the stencil, the big reveal. That's when everyone is most proud.
So can I peel it?
We don't have paint on this one here,
right.
but this is what you would end up with, and then we would put the handles on, and you'll leave with a finished piece.
What kind of stuff would we put on this tray?
Oh gosh, you can do like a little mini charcuterie display, and we're calling them charcuteries as well. So you can do like sweets on there also, so not just the cheese.
Why do you think people love doing things like this tray?
You know, you're really proud of yourself when you leave the workshop knowing that you made this with your own 2 hands, and people especially who think that they're not crafty come in and then they leave with a finished piece that they can either gift or keep for themselves.
That's right, because you can, I mean, it's all about unique gifts as well. So you can come in and really personalize and make something with a specific person in mind.
Yeah, you can even customize with the names, locations. We do coordinate signs, so lots of options.
So if someone comes in and they have a good idea of what they want to do, you can make it happen?
Yeah, absolutely. You pre-register online, so when you arrive, your custom cut stencil is ready to go, so we really get started right when you get there.
And is it a class? Can you just come in? How does that work?
Yeah, so you pre-register when you arrive for the workshop. We have public workshops, and then we also have private events. You can book for private events. We do holiday parties for corporate groups, friends and family getting together, birthday parties for adult and youth, so we have a lot of youth projects as well. Really for anyone.
Now, we've been talking about DIY decor just for the holidays specifically. What are some of your favorite things that we could come in and make?
You know, these trays have been a really favorite of mine, but the centerpiece boxes are also really fun. We have a variety of different designs and different ways that you can design those also. Fill them with different ornaments or different decor, change it up for the seasons, or make it holiday specific.
Is there an age requirement to come into workshop? Can you bring the kids? Can the family do it?
Absolutely can bring the kids. These ornaments are going to be a really fun project for the holidays, but we have a variety of different projects for youth. We do birthday parties and
right, because it doesn't have to be just holiday stuff.
No.
But obviously, right now, that's a big popular thing, making your own holiday decor. Where can people go for all the information if they want to find out more? Maybe they want to see a selection of the different things you do.
Yeah, everything's on our website, arworkshop.com/Sacramento. And then, of course, on social at AR Workshop Sacramento on Instagram and Facebook.
And you mentioned you can do kids' birthday parties. What about like a work party or a bachelorette party or a bachelor party?
Yeah.
Maybe they want to come
Baby
in and
showers,
pound
bridal
something,
showers. I mean, all of it. Yeah,
all of that. You can accommodate that.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's really awesome. Oh my goodness, I love all of this. You were mentioning, the farmhouse. Modern farmhouse is really big, but it doesn't have to be modern farmhouse if that's not your look, because you can accommodate other styles.
Yeah, so our whole technique board that we'll walk everybody through, if you just want a solid paint or keep things really clean like this sign we have here, you don't have to make it distressed or anything.
And you're going to supply all the tools. I don't have to bring anything.
Yes.
You just show up and get ready
make
to have
the
a
mess
good time.
at our workshop, not at home.
Noreen, thank you so much. This looks great. I'm really getting pumped up for the holidays now. I've got to start decorating.
It's never too early.
Thanks.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.